What's up guys, welcome back. As you can tell, I'm super excited. It's finally time to start assembling the 5.3 that I got inside where it's warm. To get it in the truck, we got the motor mounts in the last video. You guys did not see that. Brand new motor mounts all the way down to the frame. Got that painted up really nice, ready to go. Pile of trash. And then the motor is all painted up, metallic pearl black, along with the valve covers, looking really good. So it's time to get the cam in, and we'll get everything we can in. New sensors, I got a whole boatload of parts over here. Headers, motor mounts for the actual block, head gaskets, cam behind the chips. We got the cam, oil pump, head gaskets, lifters, lifter trays, all that good stuff. Got all these exciting parts to put on this thing. So I will do my best to record and show you guys what we're doing and how we're doing it. Actually guys, totally disregard all that. I realize I talk way too much in my videos, so instead we're just gonna throw all of them together, all these clips. So yeah, cue the montage. We're about 30 seconds, maybe 5 minutes from being able to start this. It's in. They're working and I'm not. I'm holding the bomb. So yeah. What did you just say?
So we gotta pull that back off.
Why?
To put a clamp on.
All right, 2 seconds. We're gonna pull the fuel pump fuse. I have the coil packs unplugged. We're gonna turn this thing over. Are you squeezing? Be careful.
Okay.
Careful.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to turn this thing over, prime the engine of oil pressure, and then we're gonna plug all that in, and it's gonna, I don't know, cut. I don't know.
My name is Liz. I got 2 games. Hi, my name's Andrew, and I also drive a Chevy.
Yeah, that fleece one with my big ass turp.
That's a diesel size filter.
Yeah.
Box. Please let me know if you have any more questions, and thanks for using Fix Yacht. Posted on January 23rd, 2011.
Ooh. All right, so we're ready to crank this. We have the fuel pump relay pulled. I'm gonna plug the edge in just so it'll tell me if anything's gonna explode. Maybe. And let's crank this thing. Ready?
Yep.
I don't hear fuel pump, so we're good. Cranking. All right, guys, so we're about to crank it. The first start with the CHOPACABRA cam from Texas Speed and a bunch of other stuff in there, just, you know, lifters and all that stuff. And cross your fingers. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Hold on.
Let's investigate something. And my fuel gauge moved.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Not CHOPACABRA.
It will. It will. Wait for it. And my fuel gauge moved.
Okay.
Guys, the mud grabs mixed with the cam now. This is, I don't even know what to think. This is my dream truck. Starting to warm up a little whole truck's rocking. Oh my gosh, this thing's kind of crazy. Kind of scared of it. By the way, the wheels, if you watch the video putting 37s on here, I never got to drive it outside to look at them because it didn't have oil pressure. Tell me this thing doesn't just look right. Like, nail on the head, perfect. Sorry, I'm a little excited. A little biased, I just love this truck. I did it. Holy crap, guys. I can't believe I did it. And by me, I mean me and my friends, because I can't thank Brent, Andrew, and Noah enough, because I couldn't have done it without them. We spent a lot of late nights here, but when I say me, I mean us, because they were a huge help, but I cannot believe that I'm standing in front of my Cam Silverado right now. Like, I've wanted a Cam in this truck since I drove it home from buying it when I was 16. I wasn't even 16, I was 15 years old. And I'm like, oh my God, as soon as I knew what a Cam was, I needed to have it. And it's done. I never thought I'd do it. It's like a expensive job to get done, and we just did it on our own in this garage. So I'm still kind of wrapping my head around the fact that it's done and I have it. It's crazy. I haven't driven it. I drove it down the street and back to the car wash, sprayed it off because it was disgusting from sitting in here, and everything was covered in coolant and oil under there. But just gave it a quick little spray off, and also the 37s look sweet. But yeah, this is the first time of me driving it with the Cam and on 37, so there's a lot of changes that doesn't feel the same. So it feels just obnoxious to even move, but it feels great. It sounds great. It runs perfect. I mean, I haven't got on it or anything, but it feels like it has so much power. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, also look at the headers to the wheel well. Tell me this isn't sick, because it has the body lift. This is the one perk to a body lift now. Look at the headers. It looks nasty. But yeah, guys, the truck it's never done, you know, but the motor work is done, and I still can't believe it. I gotta wrap my head around this. It's gonna take a while of driving it to actually realize that it's got a Cam in it now. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't even describe it. Yeah, so if you guys watched the previous videos and you watched the whole process, I can't thank you enough. I'm glad you're here with me for it. This is a huge achievement, and I'm glad I had this channel to show, even if no one watches it. You know, I'm glad that I made this video and it's done, the whole series. So yeah, if you did not go check those out, you should definitely check it out. Pulling the motor, taking it apart, building it, all that stuff. Made a bunch of videos on it. But that being said, I'm gonna quit rambling, and that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this process happen. Like I said, go check out those other videos. And I hope you guys like the sound of the truck. Comment below what you think of the sound. It kind of sounds like a boat, but it's like a cool boat, you know, so it's fine. Everybody keeps saying it sounds like a boat. I don't know what kind of boat you guys are driving, but yeah, you're right. But yeah, this is the boat. Sounds nasty. Comment below what you think of the sound. Comment below if you think these wheels look really good, because they kind of cleaned up really nice at the car wash. And I hope you'll stay tuned and consider liking and subscribing, because there's still a ton to do. There's a shelf full of parts. There's the 22s that need to go back on, but yeah, there's so much left. So please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, sorry. But that being said, I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.